I hate eyebrows. I hate eyebrows because they always look retarded when I draw them. I hate eyebrows. I hate eyebrows. I'm sure they hate me too. Oh my god. You know what? Screw the eyebrow for now. Seriously, just screw it. I'm gonna give up. I'm gonna outline a little bit up here and make it darker. Bet I can draw this eyebrow. See, blame my mom. My mom says eyebrows have a ridge that goes up like that. You know, and gotta trust my mom. She's the, you know, she went to design school and whatever. And alright, let's try this. This is looking good so far. Okay, that's a possibility. I gotta turn it. Sorry, gotta turn. Let's see. A little thick. And color it in. Alright, finally! I like that. Okay, now it's going to draw a little circle right here, and then another circle for the people. And that first circle was for light, you know. Now what I love about Xaan is on this eye, he has like scars all over it, which makes him blind. So let's draw one scar here. And out here. Make it thick. Or no, I don't like that. Then there we go. That's one. I think he has like, I decided on four scars. Sorry, I just tried to burp and